Hi friends, welcome back. Today's topic is very different and very crispy. So we will enjoy in this section. So we will discuss about two important persons. Any guess? So one is Mr. Hey, wait. I am telling about you only. Please wait. Yeah. Any guess? One is Mr. If, very angry man. And another is Mr. If S, very cool guy. Okay, who is best? Any guess? No. So let's see. Now we have two tasks. One is to find out a distance between two city pin codes, and then by using these two formulas, we have to get the final output. Let's see this example. First, we will open the Google Map and then we will enter the pin codes and click on direction. By clicking on that, the distance between these two pin codes will come. Now in this case 162 kilometers. So we will enter this value in distance column. In the same way, we will calculate the distance between other pin codes and enter the values. If you observe these two formulas, there is no much difference. If formula returns true value or false value, if yes formula returns true value only. Let's start. Perfect. If you observe these results, all results are same and the formula length also is same. There is no much difference. As per our requirement, we can use any of these. Hope this section is very useful for you. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for your valuable time.